In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into Notion. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Notion workspace in a browser or the desktop app. You'll want to have the database open where you'd like your CSV data to live. This can be an existing database you've already set up, or a fresh one you've just created. The process is the same either way. Start by navigating to the database page in Notion. If it's part of a larger page, click into the database view so you can see the table, board, or list clearly. This is important because the import option we need is tied directly to that database view, not just the page around it. Once you're on the database, move your mouse toward the top right area of the database view. You'll see a series of controls there. Look for the menu button that opens your database options. Depending on your setup, this might look like 3 dots or a similar icon. Click on that highlighted button to reveal the full menu of actions you can take on this database. Inside that menu, find and click on the Import option. This is what tells Notion you want to bring data in from an external file, instead of typing everything manually. When you click Import, Notion may ask where you want this data to go, especially if you're working with connected databases or synced content. If a prompt appears asking whether you'd like to import somewhere else, choose the option that says, No, import here. This ensures that the CSV will be imported directly into the database you're currently viewing, rather than creating something in another location or workspace. It keeps everything contained and avoids confusion later on. After that, Notion will show you a list of import sources and file types. Here, look for the CSV option in the menu. Click on the highlighted CSV choice to proceed. This is the format we're focusing on in this tutorial. Once you've selected CSV, Notion will open a file picker from your computer. Choose the CSV file you want to bring in, then confirm. Notion will handle creating the rows and columns based on your file. After the import finishes, take a moment to scroll through your database, check the columns, and adjust any property types as needed, like turning text into dates or numbers. And that's all you need to import a CSV into a Notion database.